Aravalli issue and has reiterated government's commitment to save the hill range. He has, in fact, put out a post on social media platform X. He says, and I quote, "I welcome the Supreme Court directions introducing a stay on its order concerning Aravalli range and the formation of a new committee to study issues. We stand committed to extending all assistance sought from the Ministry of Environment in the protection and restoration of the Aravalli range. As things stand, a complete ban on mining stays with regards to new mining leases or renewal of old mining leases." So first reaction they're coming in from the Environment Minister, who's welcoming Supreme Court's order. Let's also take a look at how the Congress party is responding. The Congress has also welcomed the judgment of the Supreme Court while calling it an interim victory for the environment and not a victory for any political party or any individual. Listen in.
What's your first reaction to the verdict given by Supreme Court as the November judgment has been put into a ban?
Well, we welcome the orders of the Supreme Court today. It on its own reviewed its own order. We welcome it. But remember that order would not have been passed unless there was pressure from the Government of India. So it's the Government of India that wanted the redefinition of the Aravalli Hills to restrict it to a height of more than 100 meters. In the process, all the small hillocks and landforms, 20 meters, 25 meters, 30 meters, below 100 meters, which are so very critical for the environment, for preventing the desertification, preventing sandstorms, preventing intensified pollution, that would have gone. That protection would have gone. Water security. So we welcome today's judgment. The Forest Survey of India was against the redefinition. The Central Empowered Committee of the Supreme Court was against the redefinition. The amicus curiae of the Supreme Court was himself against the redefinition. It's the Government of India who wanted this redefinition because they wanted expanded mining activity in the Aravallis. They wanted expanded real estate. Today, in fact, the newspapers have accounts of how the Government of India and the Government of Rajasthan were together going to open up these lower landforms in the Aravallis for real estate with tremendous impacts and deleterious impacts on Delhi. We were accused.
All right, let's go across to Niyamika, who got us that reaction from Jairam Ramesh, who had also written to the Environment Minister. So far, we've seen war of words with the environmentalists and the Congress party questioning the intent of the government alike. Whereas on the other hand, we've seen clarifications come in from the Environment Minister, both now welcoming the Supreme Court judgment.
Well, yes, indeed, both the government as well as the opposition is welcoming this judgment of Supreme Court. But we have seen that how the politics has also started, as Mr. Jairam Ramesh, the Rajya Sabha MP of the Congress party, is putting the blame upon the government of India, saying that the November judgment of the Supreme Court is being given by them only because there was so much of pressure from the government of India's side, as he had made this allegation against the BJP government at center that they wanted to expand the mining there in the Aravalli Hills. They wanted to expand the real estate business, and that is the only reason why this redefinition of 100 meters of Aravalli was being given by the government of India. He has even targeted the Environment Minister Bhupender Yadav by saying that the way in which he was justifying the government stand, the way in which he was putting all the blame upon the Congress government, the previous Congress government led by Mr. Ashok Gehlot in Rajasthan, that shows that how much lies were being spread by the BJP government. And in fact, he has also stated that if Mr. Bhupender Yadav has just a little decency, then he should resign from the post. So that is the demand which is coming in on the part of the Congress party. They are saying that it is basically a message which the Supreme Court has given to the government of India, and it is the responsibility of the Environment Minister to resign from his post to spreading lies all across the country.
Well, that allegation of spreading lies is being leveled by both sides. Niyamika, thank you for getting us the details and the reaction as well. We're moving on. We have breaking inputs on the broadcast. In Assam, the Home Minister Amit Shah has launched a scathing attack on the Congress. Home Minister